Main Event West on the beat.
Point of no return and I'm feeling motivated. The worst case scenario is burning what I stated. They hated the fact I made it from feeling just elevated. Debating all of my rhymes like this kid the greatest. And I'm liable to catch a case any day. The pressure anyway could break a fucking dinner plate. Taking a long look when I'm rolling on the interstate. No looking back, I'm trying to bring out that inner strength. They told me when I'm older time will move faster, but I'm in a point in my life where my time is moving backwards. Nights are getting plastered and calling me a bastard. Made me get on stage and become a fucking rapper. After that disaster, they don't know they made this. I think it's funny how they pray to a God that don't exist. Yes, I'm atheist, that's just my own views. Never judge me, walk up in your own shoes.
My heart is telling me to be different. It's about time for me to move on. Swallow everything that I learned. I'm at a point of no return. No return, no return, no return, no return, no return, no return. I'm at a point of no return.
And here lately I'm just really about to spaz out. They want my money but I have none to pass out. Feeling lonely with no girl that I can ask out. They saying I can make it but I really have doubts. I know I seem really down but it ain't the end. I'm just wishing that I had a couple real friends. When they want something that's when they call me again. But they don't understand that I'm just as broke as them. My rap is poetry, let me tell you real quick. I'm flowing different with the sentences I'm trying to spit. I'm holding up the flame telling you to keep it lit. Memories in my conscience can speak of it. They're telling me to go, my heart saying stop. My body drained like sewage built on top of rocks. See, I be making rap, y'all be making pop. Cause I'm the type to run away when I hear heaven knock.
My heart is telling